Struggling to automate your email marketing campaigns with Klaviyo? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how we can create a powerful flow that boosts sales and improve customer engagement. So what are Klaviyo Flows? I'm going to sign up. I'm going to explain this for you to do. So basically, the Klaviyo Flows are automated email sequences that get triggered and can help your host to get customer actions. So whether someone abandons their cart, sign up for the newsletter, or make a purchase, the Klaviyo lets you create personalized email journeys that increase engagement and drive really great sales. So to setting up a Klaviyo account is going to be really easy. You just need to type an email as well as a passcode and hit into create my account totally for free. Now, how would you like to describe your business? This is totally optional. This one is a restaurant, a hospitality, events, and merchandise. If you're selling, for example, in my case, let's say for clothing, consumer goods, and I'm going to be selling products online. So choose the best tools that you have so far. In my case, I'm going to be working with Shopify. So to connect my Shopify, I'm going to focus into Shopify.com. I signed into my Shopify website. And once I am here, what I'm going to be doing here is to access into my store, which in this case should be appearing here. I'm going to focus into settings. Here's my domain, smart on. I paste and continue. Now this process can be really easily and can help you to personalize your marketing tools, and you want of course to install these elements. So in my case, I can start sending email marketing, CMS, SMS totally for free and basically really fast. So let's navigate to the Klaviyo dashboard. So I'm going to go for continue, and you can add an address line here. For example, you could be adding confirm my email in a really easily way. And we are now into the dashboard. So let's start by just finishing and setting up my account. I go for finishing the connection. Here's my tools details. I connect to Shopify, and basically we are now having access directly into my Shopify and the Klaviyo. I'm going to close this, and there we go. Now I'm going to create my first flow. So if I focus here into the left section that says flow, we can create a welcome series, or we can build our own. So I'm going to create this from an actual template. If this one can help you to this process much faster, you can do it. So let's go back and go into flows. Scroll a little bit down, and you can see that we have the flow templates. So abandoned cart, browse abandonment, customer thank you, product review, cross sell, customer win backs, and much more. Let's just start, for example, this. Use the workflow. Now this is going to be welcome series. So trigger when someone is added to the mailing list, select the email list, which in this case here is. We wanted to send a coupon, for example, to all the new subscribers. Then I select my coupon code. I'm going to create this new coupon code. For example, let's go for a newbie, and percentage, let's go for 20% off. There we go. Now here into the delay of the days is recommended. I'm going to say, for example, 1 day, and I wanted to make a coupon reminder email. Now my flow is ready to edit. So go for continue, and my flow should be created in no time. This is how you can create my very first flow. I recommend starting with a proven template that it has already been added into Klaviyo. So you make sure that a really great proven template does a really great action. When you see that these subscribers are going to be doing this process and they, let's say, respond in the correct way, that you can try it out with your own Klaviyo elements. So in this case, what I'm going to do here is just to go for live, dismiss, draft live, and exit. My flow should be created in no time, and here this is how it actually going to be working out. Now the next thing is to designing my flow. So in the flow builder, you see the two main elements, and we have the triggers and the actions. So we can build my own. For example, let's say this is a purchase, and I create my flow, right? So here into this new flow, we have the trigger, we have the recommendations. For example, my store, add it to cart, add to the segment, or I can choose all the triggers, which in my case should be added to list, preview the list. So the trigger should be email number 1, and I can add, for example, a new email. For example, welcome, preview my text, the sender name, and I can go for a new sender email address. Here's the template that I can choose. There's a lot of templates that we can choose totally for free, so make sure that you have chosen one of those, select them, and use a template. Now something else here that you're seeing right now is to customize your emails. So when you customize your emails, we can use a drag and drop editor to add text, images, product blocks, call to action buttons. Personalization is key, so we can add customers' name, recommended products, or dynamic discounts to boost conversions. So I click into one of those elements, I choose to replace, and I upload my own image. For example, this one. I open, and it should be appearing in here. My header bar can be changed into a new color, for example, like this. Lastly, what you can do is to add some time delays. The time delays are going to be helping us that, for example, following up 2 hours after the customer leaves, then follow up 24 hours later with a discount offer. This can help a lot to don't be appearing into this something called the spam folder. So I choose the properties, I choose all the workflows, I preview on the text, and I hit into exit. Make sure that you have added all of this information when you check out, for example, your email tabs. And lastly, we can set up some flow conditions. So for even better results, we can use conditional splits to personalize some flow first. So for example, you can send one email to first-time buyers and a different one to returning customers. Just drag and drop the conditional split block into your flow and redefine the rule. As you can see, here is my rule, and I can of course click here. So test your workflow. Before activating your flow, always test it. Always make sure that you choose the preview options to see how your emails will look, and the trigger setup tab to run a test sequence. Once you're happy with your flow, click into turn on, and you are good to go. Make sure that you have used a personalized subject line to improve open rates. Make sure you have added product recommendations to banner the card emails, and test different email send times to find what works best. And always, really always review your flow performance and tweak it before for better results. So that's how you can create a powerful Klaviyo Flows to automate your email marketing in 2025. Once again, if you don't know absolutely anything about creating flows, just focused and of course trust into the recommended flows that appears down here into your flows elements. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools how to get started here into Klaviyo. Thank you once again for watching the video, and hopefully we can all see you next time.